You can check out my Patreon for early access to full-length reactions, exclusive reactions, currently Death Note and Vinland Saga, and movie reactions every Sunday depending on what tier you pick. Appreciate the support, link is in the description. Damn, eye doctor Bill must be crazy. Alright baby, Chainsawman, a highly anticipated anime. I've never really heard that much about it or the manga, so I'm going in semi-blind. I did react to a trailer a while back and it looked pretty crazy. It looked super insane, so I'm kinda hyped for this. Episode 1 came out last week and episode 2 is gonna come out at around 6 o'clock this evening my time, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get out both episodes today so we're up to date, and then obviously weekly every Tuesday. Yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this. Alright, Chainsawman, what's the hype all about? Show me. Show me. Starting off semi-creepy already. Are there jump scares in this? I hate jump scares. You'll see that in my The Conjuring reaction soon. Okay. What was happening, bro? Having an asthma attack? God. Or a dream? Oh, isn't that bad luck? Doesn't that mean like somebody's back is gonna break or some shit? Or that was something different. Huh? You're just pawning off your organs? What? Wait, you didn't even get 100k for one of your nuts? Damn, bro, that's tough. My guy. Oh. Okay. Okay, devils is a thing. Damn, eye doctor Bill must be crazy. Bro, this man really say he's just selling his body? Fuck, that's sad and kind of hilarious. So there's devils in this world. They call them devils, and you kind of get a bounty. There's a bounty on them. Probably gonna be like different classes as well. The higher or stronger the devil is, the more you get. I sold my left nut, didn't even get 100k for it. Damn, bro. And that's yen, right? So it's even less. Okay. Denji made quick work of that devil. So what, like 50 bucks? Shit. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, my bad, bro. Not your fault then. So he thinks like a soldier. How about 500 and I shove that shit? Damn. I mean, he has that careless attitude about him. Oh, okay, nice. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? That dude's a dickhead though. That sucks so much. My man's life is rough. I'm sure you can do it. Just stop selling your goddamn nuts. Oh, that's sad. His dad. Shit, that old man is ruthless. So that's Yakuza. God. Oh. Damn, both of them meet while they're dying, like right before they both should die. Bites his arm off. This is a pact, it's a bond, yeah. They both saved each other. Damn, that's so dope. Both were just sentenced to death and they saved each other. That's a solid dream. Man, I feel bad for this guy. Man, he can't catch a break.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか?
Is this a setup? It smells.
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだ。
This is a setup. Fuck.
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Oh, both of them.
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することに。
Oh, damn.
悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
Oh.
マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから。
Yeah, you yourself became dogs now.
その力でゾンビになっちゃう。
Yeah, you just... Oh my god. Idiots.
だから殺しちゃうんだ。
Let's get to work, Denji. Come on, I know you just got stabbed, but you got this. Oh, okay, we dipping? Okay, I mean, yeah, that's probably a better plan. Is this where he's gonna transform? Oh! Dodge! Oh, shit! Oh! What am I watching?
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけ。
God. The fuck? Yeah, this is insane. He's dead.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Huh? Oh, wait a minute.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげる。
Wow, so he's dead. That's oh my god, that's so sad.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
I thought he was gonna be revived somehow, but he's basically dead and Pochita is gonna take over? Or is he still in there maybe somehow? In some way or... let me watch. Okay, so he's still like there.
デンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
Okay, they can communicate now?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりに、デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Okay, they merged, he's revived, and... Okay, I see. Let's get to work!
バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？
You're gross. Look at you.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのに、もっといい生活を望んだ。
That's humans for you. Can never get enough.
じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど。
Let's go.
邪魔すんなら。
Yeah, he's just gonna pull it and it's gonna activate.
死ね！
Pull it again? Pochita, this shit's not working. He's gonna pop up. Come on. Oh. Woo! Let's go. Bro, he looks nasty. Woo! What's up? Oh, yeah, let's go. I'm gonna take that eye. Let's go, Denji. Not Denji. This is Denji. Or Pochita slash Denji. Oh, you're gonna regret that. Yep. Woo! Oh, now you're bitching out. He's just chucking them at him. Oh, that animation! Woo! Crisp as fuck. Oh, that's nasty, bro. Let's go.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに。
Yeah, so I'm a hunt. Yeah, so hey, I'm just doing your work. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's get the old geezer. He's enjoying this a little too much, isn't he? I mean, I get it. Yeah, so this is definitely not a kids anime. Okay, they look important. Devil Hunters. Fearless. How are you just gonna walk up to that?
これ君がやったの？
だかす
Okay. Wow.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。選択肢は2つ。
Okay.
悪魔として私に殺されるか。
I'm gonna take the second option probably.
買うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Oh, I didn't even notice his eye healed and, you know, probably his other organs and his nuts.
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗って。
Sold. Sold. Jam? Sold. That's so cool.
最高じゃないっすか。
Found your girl, bro. Okay, whoa, what a start, bro. That shit was brutal. We met Denji, we met Pochita. They were working for the Yakuza, I believe, because his dad was in debt, which is horrible. His dad hung himself, which is also horrible, but he also left his son with all that debt, which is just so messed up. I get it, you know, people that commit suicide are in a bad place. So yeah, that's but you got a son, you're gonna leave him like just with the Yakuza, and then that guy was ruthless. Like, to a little boy, yeah, you can whore yourself out, like, damn. But yeah, what I expect is the freaking Yakuza, it's the mafia. I liked how, you know, both of them, Pochita and Denji, were supposed to die, and two dying people, or two dying beings that are alive, because, you know, he's a devil, he's a human. They met, and actually that created life, you know. Two things dying created life again, which is, I don't feel like it's somehow a beautiful twist. Yeah, set up by the old geezer. They paid a stupid price. They're just stupid. They just died, basically, turned into zombies because they just couldn't get enough. They were just too greedy, and just, yeah, that's such a shitty deal. And yeah, but Denji took care of business after merging with Pochita, which, yeah, that's cool. And then this cute girl shows up. She seems to be super professional with these two guys, and yeah, she gave him a hug, didn't even hesitate, walked right up to him, she hugged the chainsaw. Like, would you guys hug a chainsaw? That's crazy. It's wifey material right there. I'm telling you, Denji, you gotta lock that down, Denji. Anyways, yeah, that was an amazing start to the show. I can't wait for more, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode.